Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the system capability. Open settings and go straight to privacy and security, then turn on location services so any shortcut can use it. Once done, back out and tap Control Center. This is where you add tiles. Make sure you're signed into your device and that any screen time restrictions are off. Otherwise, Control Center edits may be blocked. Now you're at the right screen to add the location-related control and begin customizing what appears when you swipe down. Once you're in Control Center settings, look under More Controls for an entry labeled Location, Location Services, or a specific app's location shortcut. Tap the green plus to include it. After adding, move that tile higher in included controls by dragging. Position determines how quickly you access it with a swipe. If you don't see location, add a related app shortcut, Maps, Compass, that exposes location toggles. When the tile is placed, test it immediately by swiping to open Control Center. Finish by validating the change. Swipe to open Control Center and tap the new location tile to confirm it reveals location status or triggers the expected app. If nothing happens, make sure no screen time or configuration profile restricts location controls and check for an iOS update. If the control still won't appear, remove it from Control Center, restart the phone, then re-add it. That often clears cached UI issues. If problems persist, reset settings as a last resort, but back up first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.